Van Abubakar. I'm the president, East Africa Law Society. I'm joined here by the chairperson, ICJ, Madam Christine Alai, flanked by the executive director, Mr. Dimas Kiprono. And with us is a joint statement prepared by the East Africa Law Society, the East Africa Law Society Institute, the Uganda Law Society, the Law Society of Kenya, Tanganyika Law Society, the Rwanda Bar Association, the Zanzibar Law Society, the South Sudan Bar Association, the DRC Bar Association, the Ethiopian Bar Association, the Pan-African Lawyers Union, the ICJ, the Kenya Human Rights Commission, and the East Africa Civil Society Organization Forum. This is a joint statement on the topic of continuing constitutional and statutory concerns affecting media freedom, personal liberty, the legal profession, and rule of law in Uganda. The East Africa Law Society, together with national bars in East Africa, the Pan-African Lawyers Union, the International Commission of Jurists, and the Kenya Human Rights Commission, issued this statement in light of serious and continuing concerns arising from developments in Uganda that raise prima facie questions of constitutional compliance, statutory fidelity, and adherence to the rule of law. Taken cumulatively, these developments implicate the foundational pillars of constitutional governance, personal liberty, freedom of expression, freedom of the press, and the independence of the legal profession. They present a continuing situation requiring urgent cessation by responsible Ugandan authorities. Number one, there is the deprivation of liberty and due process concerns. We express grave and escalating concern regarding credible and consistent reports of deprivation of liberty affecting multiple individuals in Uganda, including the reported detention, prosecution, and denial of bail of Dr. Miria Matembe, senior legal practitioner and former Minister of Ethics and Integrity, alongside earlier reported abduction incidents involving Dr. Sarah Birete, Ms. Eunice Musime, and others, whose circumstances continue to emerge. And of course, the continued prosecution and persecution of senior advocate and former mayor of Kampala, Honorable Arias Lukwago. Taken together, these reports indicate a widening pattern of concern regarding executive overreach, respect of the personal liberty, transparency of detention, judicial independence, and compliance with due process guarantees. In relation to Dr. Matembe, there remains no publicly available confirmation of the legal basis of detention, place of custody, or observance of constitutionally mandated safeguards. Where deprivation of liberty occurs without prompt disclosure of lawful authority, verifiable custody, and due process compliance, serious constitutional issues and concerns arise under Articles 23, 24, 28, 44, and 50 of the Constitution of Uganda, reinforced by Article 9 of the ICCPR and the UN Convention Against Torture. I now want to invite Ms. Alai, the chairperson ICJ, to read the other part of the statement.